Hi everyone, as you all know, this is a season of Node and Depin projects, and you just have to position yourself right early on many of these projects if you really want to maximize your earnings on many of them. So here's another one that you have to pay very close attention to, and I will take you through the process on how to get in on the Naoris protocol. They are all very easy to farm because you're making use of the same browser and you're running just simple extension, very easy to farm. So let's dive into our Kiwi browser, or you can make use of Mice's browser. All right, I learned currently, just as at the time of this video, that Kiwi isn't available on Play Store, so you may just likely need to get Mice's browser instead and make use of that. All right, so just log on to your Kiwi, and right at the top here you're searching for Naoris protocol wallet. Just before I even finish typing, you can see that actually popped up, so click on that, and you're going to be clicking on this very first one, this Naoris protocol wallet. So click on that. We are downloading 2 extension. Okay, so remember, as watching, to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and click on add to Chrome, and you're clicking on OK, and just wait for some few seconds. This should be showing remove from Chrome, and right now I've actually installed the wallet extension. Let's install the second one before we now proceed on opening each and every one of them. Right, so at the top again, you're searching for, this time around you're searching for Naoris protocol browser. You can see the browser right here. Go ahead and click on that, and here is the browser right at the top. Click on it, and as you can see right now, 100,000 users. So that's the correct one. Just take it to the left hand side and you can see add to Chrome at the top. Go ahead and click on the add to Chrome, click on OK, and just wait a little bit. Once you're seeing remove from Chrome, it simply means these are successfully been added. And after installing the browser extension, we are going to be opening the wallet first. All right, so you're clicking on this 3 dot, and after clicking on the 3 dot, just go down a little bit. You're going to be seeing Naoris protocol wallet. You can see the 2 of them that we just installed right now. This is the browser and this is the wallet. So we are opening the wallet first. Okay, after opening the wallet, it is much better you create a new wallet. All right, so go ahead and click on that create a new wallet, and go ahead and agree to the terms, and you click on submit. When you submit, you will be given 12 phrase. You copy those recovery phrase and keep them very safe, because if you lose your recovery phrase, you've lost your account. That is what it simply means. All right, so please understand that perfectly. The next page is saying that you should provide the 12th word, the 3rd word, and also the 11th and the 10th word. So I'm going to go to my recovery phrase and check which one is number 12, which one is number 3, which one is number 11, and which one is number 10. Remember, whenever you're dealing with anything that has to do with phrase or something like this, you always have to type in lowercase. And after typing in lowercase, there must be no space after each of the word or the words you're typing. All right, like for instance, my own number 12 is actually senior. So right now I'm going to be typing senior, and it must be in lowercase, and there must be no space after. Based on what I type right now, there is actually space after the senior that I typed. So I'm going to be deleting that, and as you can see, there must be no space. All right, so you go ahead and provide whatever they ask you to provide, and then you look down and click on confirm. And after clicking on the confirm, you can go ahead and just create any password of your choice. I would suggest you make use of the same password you have on your MetaMask, and that is so you won't be creating multiple passwords that you can't remember. Okay, so when you're done with these 2, go ahead and paste my referral code right here. You can easily check my referral code on our Telegram channel. It's always much easier right from Telegram. Though you can also check the comment section, but it is much easier from there because you're clicking to copy. All right, let me just show you an example of what I mean by clicking to copy. Here's our Telegram channel, and what you're meant to do is this. In case we have too many posts that has been posted, you can just go ahead and click on that three dot, and you're searching for Naoris, right? Naoris, and then you search. Now, assuming after searching, it brought you to this particular post, and this particular post is all about Naoris. Okay, now if this was to be my referral code, assuming this memhash stream is my referral code, what do you need to do right here? Click on top of this to copy. All right, if I click on top of it right now, you can see it will show copied below. Just take note of that. So that's exactly why I said it is much easier when you're trying to copy codes, referral codes, or whatever from our Telegram channel instead of coming to the comment section right here. So our Telegram channel name is also at the top right here, and you can also check the comment section right for our Telegram channel link. So after creating your wallet, here's a message you're meant to see right here. What is the next thing you're meant to do if you're seeing this kind of message? Remember, the first step is actually to get both the wallet extension and the browser extension. Now the next step is to open our wallet extension and create our wallet. Now the next step is that we're going to go ahead and open our browser extension. The same process. Go ahead and click on that, and you go down and click on the browser extension. That's for the Naoris, and you can see the browser extension right here. Go ahead and click on that, and here is the browser extension. If you want, you can just enable desktop sites just to make that much easier, right? You can see desktop site right here, and here is the desktop site. So it is advisable you turn on these two. Okay, add to wait list, and you go ahead and turn on protection to begin earning. Just click on that and wait a little bit. You'll be seeing this added, and then you go ahead and turn on protection. And if you notice, immediately after turning on protection, take note of this right here. The earnings have actually started dropping, but there is yet one more task that you need to do. If you want, you can just go ahead and take a look at the dashboard, which for me right now is not really necessary. The next step right now is to go to this particular site. You can also check the link right at the comment section, or just take a look at it right now as I'm about to type it at the top here. Okay, so just at the top right here, you click naorisprotocol.network/testnet/task. Right, you go ahead and just search for that URL, which is also right on our Telegram channel and also right at the comment section below. And after you've opened it, you can just accept all the cookies that you have right here, and preferably as well change this to desktop site just so you can see it more clearly. You're going to go ahead and click on start testnet, and when you click on that, you're going to go down right here and you're clicking on start testnet below. You can see that, and after clicking, you can see some of these tasks that you have below here. You're meant to do each and every one of them. The first one says you should connect the wallet. The second one says you should connect with Twitter. The third one says you should install the browser, which we've done, and the last one says you should follow on X on Twitter. So go ahead and click right on this connect, and just drag that a little bit to the left, and you're choosing Naoris Chrome extension. Then you go ahead and click on connect right there, and in case you're not seeing that connect popping up, just the same way you do on other platforms, simply open the Naoris wallet, log into your Naoris wallet, and you should be able to connect. All right, now this is showing connected, and if you look right here as well, it is showing installed. So the next one right here is to actually log in on X. So what are we going to do, since this is not bringing the message on time? Go ahead and reload the page. You can see immediately I refreshed or reloaded the page, this actually popped up for me. So I'm just going to zoom in on that and let's click on login with X. You can go ahead and authorize that. And in case you haven't logged in on your Twitter account, you'll go ahead and log in and return back and connect that. Right now, after doing that, it automatically moved you to the last task or to the last step, which is follow on X. So click on that follow. Then you can see proceed popped up at the top here. Immediately you click on the follow, go ahead and click on proceed. You're meant to click on this follow. And if you don't want to click on that follow, you can still just cancel it and click on follow right here. Then you can just return back. And after returning back, go ahead and click on claim points. After claiming your points, this should automatically be showing that you've done the task. But in case this is not showing that you've done the task, probably after some few minutes, you're going to come back to this same dashboard.network testnet task section and reload the page, and this should be showing that you have actually completed all these 4 tasks. Right now, I have done this. It marked it before. I also followed on X and it showed that it's done, but yet it's still returning back to this one. So I can just go ahead and reload the page. Let me see if that would actually work for now. But if this is not working for now, you don't really need to bother about this. Just come back probably after some hours, reload the page and check again. And if this is still not really working, just leave it for now. Yours is ensure you get the extension. On the extension, you turn on the protection and make sure it's showing connected. So every 24 hours you can just check, right? So you can see it's as easy as that. And that's it all, guys. Kindly ensure you like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.